Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you review and recipe of Fortune Everyday Basmati rice. Pack says it's full grain. So this is 1 kg pack and MRP is 169, but I got it from Amazon at rupees 110. Shelf life is 24 months. So let's look at the grain. Yeah, it's full grain and slightly on the yellow side. I don't see any broken grains here, but the edges of the grain are slightly broken, only the edges. So let's cook it the way exactly as mentioned on the pack. For a perfect pot of rice, thoroughly rinse rice 3-4 times and then soak the rice in lukewarm water for 30 minutes before cooking. And then for 1 cup of rice, take 4 cups of water. To the boiling water, add soaked rice and cook on medium flame for 7-8 minutes. If you are cooking by closed pan method, for 1 cup of rice, 1 cup and 3/4 measure of water is needed. Now it's been 7-8 minutes, drain the rice and serve after 5 minutes. And the cooked rice is fairly long. The grains do not stick to each other and have the khila appearance. They absorb flavor. It's soft to bite. Although the characteristics and aroma of basmati rice is there, but it is not as prominent as I would like. This rice variant is offered in 1 kg and 5 kg bags. It's a fine variety of rice that you can relish every day. It's not great rice though, but it is good if you get it in 100 rupees range. And these grains are very good for regular dal chawal. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.